Oops, let me try again. Okay, let's start all the way from the beginning. I don't know what to say. Happy year. Hopefully everything will turn out better. Better than this year.在屏幕上，这里就能看到长风解释。I haven't seen a camera in ages. So I think as you get older, your birthday wishes get simpler and simpler, and I don't really believe in that saying your wish is out is going to make them not work anymore. So my wish was basically wishing everyone in my life to be happy and healthy, including me as well. Be gentle. Be gentle because we all have worlds inside of ourselves that no one else sees. Doesn't necessarily makes you ugly, even though every time you look in the mirror and you think, what the heck is going on? I am very happy and satisfied with both myself and my works. Them said, my works so far are all very strong, and you know, if I could apply this year, I could. So that was the biggest encouragement I got tonight. Hello! Now we're back to the normal mode after all the time that I spent doing the editing that you just saw. But I do want to end this video in a rather normal way, and I just wanted to thank everyone for wasting your time on my channel. And I just got like an email from YouTube saying about the progress that I made this year. I honestly do not care about who subscribes and who views and how many. I honestly just had a really good time creating these content and creating memories for myself. And soon in the future, I'll be able to look back at these and feel really nostalgic and remember this period in my life. So that is the most important thing still to me. And I thank you so much once again, and I will see you next year. Bye!